Welcome back ICSC Help YouTube channel. Today we are going to read the chapter Reflection for ICSC class 10th Mathematics. This chapter should be read after having the knowledge of coordinate geometry of ICSC class 9 Mathematics. If you have proper knowledge of coordinate geometry, then reflection chapter could be understand very easily. Now, first of all, you know that this is the x-axis and this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, x dash y. These are value have positive 1, 2, 3, 4, while these value have negative 1, 2, minus 3, positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. You have read in class 9 geometry that you can plot any point on the graph. If you want to plot the 3 and 4, first of all is abscissa and second is ordinate. The first point is known as abscissa and the second point is known as ordinate and combinedly known as coordinate. Abscissa x plus 3, 1, 2, 3 and the coordinate ordinate 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3. This is the point 3 and 4. But this is not your topic because it is coordinate geometry, but your topic is reflection. What would be the reflection if point P 3, 4 reflect to x-axis, reflect to y-axis, reflect to origin? Then rule 1, if reflection through x-axis, then A, B, reflection to x-axis, y change A minus B, such that if 3 and 4 reflect to x-axis, then 3 and minus 4. If it is reflected and suppose that it is mirror, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and P dash is the image of P. If x-axis is the mirror line and the image of P will be P dash and these have the point 3 minus 4 and you see that the y sign of y has been changed because reflection is done by x-axis. Now, if reflection is done by y-axis, then sign of abscissa is changed. If y-axis, this is the mirror, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and this is the image of P dash. If reflection is done by y-axis, then you know that there is minus 3, 4. What is changed? Abscissa is changed. Now abscissa is changed and ordinate does not change if reflection is done by y-axis. You all know that if x-axis, then y sign change, and if y-axis, then x sign change. And now third case, if reflection is done by origin, third point, by origin, then A, B and done by origin, then minus A, minus B. Both signs have been changed. 3, 4. This is the image. Of P. If reflection is done by origin, then minus 3, minus 4. You have seen that both abscissa and ordinate, both two signs has been changed. So you have know the Three rule: if reflection is done by x-axis, then ordinate change, and if reflection is done by y-axis, abscissa change, and if reflection is done by origin, then both change. These are the law of reflection for ICSE class 10th mathematics. If you want to solve the exercise of reflection, then take graph and visit ICSE help website to find out the solution of latest edition of ML Agarwal, Concise, Selina, RS Agarwal in ascending order, in sequential order to get the solution. Please subscribe and like if you like the video.